What's up, guys? This is Will H Tech Review, back with another video. So today we're going to be taking a look at a pulse oximeter. So this is a different type of tech than what I normally present on my channel. I wanted to do this review because of the current state of the nation and the world out there with the virus and everything. One of the symptoms, I won't say the first symptoms of the virus, is low oxygen rate. So personally, I needed something like this. I have to monitor my pulse all the time. That is one reason why I got the pulse. But I thought about the oximeter as well. And so that's why I wanted to make this video on this device, particularly this brand, to see if it's worth picking up or not. My wife picked this up from Walmart, and I think the Equate is their brand. I'm not sure, but this is something that could come in handy for certain people. This measures your pulse, and it gives you your oxygen level as well, your O2 level. So here's the packaging. I'm not sure what it costs, but I will drop the cost down in the in the description, or a link where you can pick it up. I know it came from Walmart. So the Equate Pulse oximeter, the contents, you get the pulse oximeter, 2 AAA batteries, carrying case, a lanyard, and this is English and Spanish manual. Portable, lightweight, convenient, easy to read, with 10 levels of brightness, viewable from 4 sides, comfortable fit, with soft silicone padding, 1-button operation, automatic power off. So this is what you're gonna get in the box. So let's see if this thing actually works and see what we got here. So, all right, nothing else in the box. And here's the little device. So very small, we'll look at that in a minute. You also get you a nice little carrying case here. Get your lanyard, a nice long blue one, look like you can hang that around your neck, man. And you do get your quick operations guide here as well. And this is a huge pamphlet here. I'm gonna put that over to the side, and let's get the batteries in this and check it out. So your batteries go down here at the bottom. Slide it open like so. Got a little piece of plastic here. All right. Let's get that out of the way. One battery goes this way. The other battery goes this way. And you slide your cover back on like. All right, so there's the cover back on. Let's go around it here. So you have a button here. I'm assuming that's the on and off. Yep, that's your on and off button there. So you just raise this up. This does have like a soft rubbery inside of it there. Here's the display. You got your beats per minute, your pulse. You got your O2, shows the battery indicator there, and finger out. So this display rotates 4 different directions. As you push the button, it changes orientation, as you can see. Every time you press it, it changes orientation. So this is the orientation I want. If you want to adjust the brightness, you just hold down on the power switch. So you can see those numbers are changing there. You got 10 different levels of brightness. I'm going to leave it on the highest level. And if you want to go ahead and take your reading, simply just slide your finger in there, and it says to be very still. So my oxygen level is 97, my pulse rate is 70, and this thing turns off after 8 seconds. The string will go dark and turn off, and that's pretty much it. So this is the Equate Pulse and oximeter, and here it is in the little case here, like so. And you can throw that in your bag, keep it moving, throw it in your pocket or whatever. You can hook your lanyard up to here, or this is a belt loop, and on your device right here, you can run your lanyard. If you want to run your lanyard through here, you can run it through there. So very nice, clean, lightweight, very nice looking, man. So hope this helps someone out there. This is the Equate Pulse Oximeter. Catch you guys in the next video. Will H, and I'm out.